Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start with immediate diagnostics. Back up your files, then open System Preferences sound to confirm output device, balance centered, and volume under 100%. Once done, reboot and run Apple Diagnostics by holding D at startup to catch hardware faults. Write down any error codes. If diagnostics are clean, reset param/nvram option command PR and SMC according to your model, because many audio glitches stem from firmware state. These steps eliminate software and power management causes first. Once firmware resets are applied, boot into safe mode to disable third-party audio extensions and see if crackling persists. This isolates software conflicts. Make a new user account and test there to confirm whether your user settings cause issues. Also plug in headphones and external speakers to determine if the crackle is internal. If external output is fine, inspect speaker ports for debris. Use a soft brush or brief bursts of compressed air, because physical obstruction, or dust, often causes mechanical distortion. If problems remain after safe mode and account tests, reinstall Mac OS from recovery to restore system files. This fixes deep driver or audio subsystem corruption. When Apple Diagnostics reports speaker or board faults, or sound is still distorted only from internal speakers, schedule a service appointment. Speaker replacement or logic board repair may be required. If crackle is intermittent, keep a short log of apps, volume levels, and when it occurs to speed repair. If the device is under warranty or Apple Care.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.